Hmm. It's a skincare product. Oh, I will visit later, Sister Garima. Your upload. Okay na siguro to. Mag-plating tayo para makita ni Sister Garima. Yung plating natin. Tanggalin natin to. Ito na yung natin. Mag-off tayo ng fire para hindi ma-overcook ay masunog yung rice. Sarap ng munggo na may bitterness, Sislo. Sayang talaga hindi ako nakadagdag ng ng munggo noong pumunta ako diyan. As in wala akong mahanapan dito na munggo. Yan. It's a skincare product. Uses this Sister Garima, my food is steamed broccoli and sweet potato. What you see down is sweet potato. And then I have here another fried bananas. So these are our lunch for today. We have fried rice. We have eggs with tomato sauce. I don't know if you can see it very well. And then the broccoli and fried banana. I am going to plate and we will stop. Thank you so much for your big support, guys. Ayan, delicious fried bananas. Yes, sis, ang tamis niya kaya. Yung Sislo. Ayan. Ayan guys, yung yung rice natin. And then, hindi ako maglalagay ng ng banana kasi naprito siya. Kumain ako ng isa kanina. So, hindi rin sana ako kakain ng rice. Pero, tempting kasi yung rice natin. Kaya ganyan. Ayan, nagple-plating na tayo ha. Para naman, nilagyan ko pa siya ng ng sibuyas. Onion. I have here onion, guys. So, ayan. Para hindi siya tinipid. Di ba, Kuyang Tonyo? Hindi siya tinipid. Masyadong maingay. Gustong-gusto ko yung steamed na steamed onion. Sislo, gusto mo rin ba ng steamed onion? Gustong-gusto ko kasi si husband, gustong-gusto niya. Nasanay naman ako na steamed onion. Buti na lang hindi na overcook yung yung broccoli natin. And then maglalagay ako ng isang itlog para sa natin, plate. Ayan. Mag-plating na tayo. And then ito yung super plate natin. And then, ayan. I forgot to tell you guys, Sister Garima, I have here, what do we call this? Broccoli balls. I prepared yesterday. So you see guys, this is my plate for today. You see, I have here, I have fried rice, I have broccoli, steamed broccoli with sweet potato and onion. Then we have here egg with sauce, and we have the what we call this, broccoli balls. So I think we are going to stop now, guys. Thank you so much for your big support. We will end now. Maraming salamat. Kuyang, ito yung plato mo, Kuyang Tony. Awan ko, parang nag-iikot yung isang cellphone ko. Ano nangyari sa isang cellphone? Nag-iikot siya. Okay naman. So guys, mag-i-stop na ako ha. Maraming salamat sa support. God bless us all. Thank you so much. Adios. Ciao, au revoir. Take care everyone. Sister Garima, thank you so much. Nong Parikoy, Sis Lori, Kabsat Salidumay, Kuyang Tony, Leon Olson from Denmark. Thank you so much guys. Adios.